How are you all? I hope that you all are fine. My name is Virda Nirali from Saraswati Group of Education. And today, this is our last session of this chapter, and we are going to learn about how to create or how to save the files or creating a file and a folder in a WordPad. WordPad में तुम्हारे केवी रीते file and a folder create करवा, that we are going to see in today's session. But before that, as we all know, we are having a quick recap of our previous sessions, right? कि આપણે session start करिए एनी पहला આપણે લોકો एक quick recap ले लिए છીએ so that we can remember what we have learned so far. Okay, so we have learned about operating system, that there are many kinds of operating system, and nowadays the mostly used operating system is Windows. Nowadays Windows 10 is in demand. અત્યારે Windows 10 બધા બહુ use કરે છે, but we are going to learn the Windows 7, that is the basic one, right? So we are going to learn that. So if you know Windows 7, then it will be easier for you to learn Windows 10. So that's why we are going to learn Windows 7 first. So in your chapter, Windows, everything is related to Windows, but everything what we have learned till now, but those same you can apply in Windows 10 also. Okay, so we have learned that about desktop, कि આપણે લોકોએ desktop related learn કર્યું. So what is desktop? So desktop is nothing, that desktop is the first screen which appears or which comes on the monitor. કે તમારા monitor પર જે first screen દેખાય છે when you switch on your computer, એ screen ને desktop કહેવામાં આવે છે. Then it is the main screen in Windows with many small pictures. એમાં બહુ બધા small pictures હોય છે. So that pictures are known as icons. એને આપણે icons કહીએ છીએ. And it is similar to any other desk or table that you work on. Then after, in that you can see there is one icon. એક icon છે, એ કેવું icon છે? My computer લખી લે. My computer લખીને એક icon છે, and the symbol of that icon is also the same as the computer only. So if you click on that icon, તમે એ icon ને open કરવા માટે double click કરશો. So that after that, by clicking on the icon, after that the screen which appears on your monitor screen, right, in which you can see that there are many drives over there. E drive, C drive, so D drive. So all these drives are there. So what we can store in that drive, a drive no use શું છે અને શેના માટે છે? So drives are nothing but drives is helpful for storing our information. Drive માં આપણે આપણી બધી information ને store કરી શકીએ છીએ, right? So in C drive we are supposed to store. C drive માં આપણે શું store કરીએ છીએ? In C drive we are storing what? We are storing that whatever the software we download, એ બધું જે ઓલરેડી બેઝિક ઇન્સ્ટોલ કરેલું આપણે સોફ્ટવેર્સ છે એ બધું C ડ્રાઈવમાં સ્ટોર થાય છે. એન્ડ આફ્ટર દેન અકોર્ડિંગ ટુ અવર મેમરી, આપણા કેટલી હાર્ડ ડ્રાઈવની મેમરી છે એના બેઝિસ પર આપણું ડ્રાઈવ્સ, ધ રેસ્ટ ઓફ ધ ડ્રાઈવ્સ DE એનું ડિવિઝન થાય છે, રાઈટ? એન્ડ if you insert any external device તમે insert કરો છો, such as DVD, CD, pen drive, then a new drive is created. If you insert a pen drive, then USB drive or a removable disk. If you insert a DVD, then a DVD drive is created, right? So over here it is given something basic over here, that C drive consists of the contents of the hard disk. એ હાર્ડ ડિસ્કના કોન્ટેન્ટ્સને એમાં કન્સિસ્ટ કરે છે. Then D drive used to access the contents of a hard disk. એ ખાલી હાર્ડ ડિસ્કના કોન્ટેન્ટ્સ જ એમાં C ડ્રાઈવમાં હોય છે, whereas D ડ્રાઈવમાં આપણે જે કોન્ટેન્ટ્સ આપણે જે એમાં ડ્રાઈવમાં છે એને એક્સેસ કરી, એને યુઝ કરી અને પછી જે આપણો ડેટા બને છે ધેટ ઇઝ સ્ટોર્ડ ઇન અ ડી ડ્રાઈવ. એન્ડ ઈ ડ્રાઈવમાં આપણે શું સ્ટોર કરીએ છીએ ધેટ અલાઉસ you to access the contents of a CD. કે આ જે CD ના જે બધા contents છે that can be allowed by the E drive. So these were all about drives. Then afterward, if you can see on your monitor desktop screen, on the bottom left corner માં bottom niche you can see a round circle that is the start button. If you click on the start button, then any program, then you can open out any program, any document, and even if you don't find any of the document or a program, a search option is also available over there. So તમે લોકો એમાં તમે સર્ચ પણ કરી શકો એટલે તમને એક પાથ મળી જાય કે એ પ્રોગ્રામ ક્યાં છે. So that facility is also available. After that, in start button, there is a with the help of the start button તમે તમારું PC ને કમ્પ્યુટરને શટડાઉન પણ કરી શકો છો. શટડાઉનનો ઓપ્શન પણ તમને ત્યાંથી જ આવે છે. Then afterwards we have learned about how to create a files in a folder. Files and folders આપણે કેવી રીતે ક્રિએટ કરવાના and what is the importance to create a file and a folder, that we have learned in that session, right? To manage it systematically, first you are supposed to create a folder, then you are supposed to create inside that according to your needs you can create subfolders, then you can copy down your files over there, right? After that we have learned icons, programs and type of file. If Microsoft Word is there, then its type of file is word processor. Microsoft PowerPoint, then its file is presentation file. Microsoft Excel, spreadsheet file. Microsoft Access, database file. Microsoft Notepad, text file. Paint, pictures file. Microsoft Windows Media Player, sound and movie file. And Winamp, that is a sound file. If you don't remember this, in your textbook page number 27 it is already there, so you can refer it out from there. Okay, after that we have learned some of the steps, right, that creating a new folder or a file. તમે ન્યૂ ફોલ્ડર અને ફાઇલને ક્રિએટ કરો છો તો એના સ્ટેપ શું છે? So that is right click on the blank space on the desktop, a menu appears, then select the new option, then a sub menu appears and click on the folder option. A new folder icon gets created on the desktop, and then type the folder name and press the enter key, so your folder is created. The same are the steps to create a file. એવી જ રીતે તમારે ફાઇલ સિલેક્ટ કરવાની છે. ન્યૂ ઓપ્શન સુધી તો સેમ સ્ટેપ્સ રહેશે. આફ્ટર સિલેક્ટિંગ અ ન્યૂ પછી તમારે ફોલ્ડરની પ્લેસ પર કોઈ બી ફાઇલ સિલેક્ટ કરવાની છે. વર્ડ ફાઇલ, પ્રેઝન્ટેશન ફાઇલ, એક્સેલ ફાઇલ, કોઈ બી ફાઇલ સિલેક્ટ કરવાની છે. And then you can also give a name to the file and press the enter key. Then afterwards, opening an existing file or a folder. File and a folder ne open કેવી રીતે કરવાનો? So either you can double click on the icon, or the second one is right click on the icon ઉપર right click કરો અને પછી તમને open નો option આવશે. So you can click on the open option. So these are the two alternative ways in which you can open your existing file and a folder. Then afterward, renaming a file and a folder. Rename, હવે એ ફોલ્ડરનો તમારે એમ થાય છે કે મારે નેમ ચેન્જ કરવું છે, મારે અત્યારે આની નેસેસિટી નથી, મારે બીજું કંઈક નેમ દેવું છે, ચેન્જીસ કરવા છે. સો યુ કેન ઓલ્સો, તમે જો ડેટા કલેક્ટ કર્યો હોય 2019નો, હવે એમાં એ ડેટામાં ચેન્જીસ કરીને તમે 2021નો ડેટા બનાવો છો, તમે ફોલ્ડરનું નેમ ચેન્જ કરી દેશો, રાઈટ? સો એ ફોલ્ડરનું નેમ કેવી રીતે ચેન્જ કરવાનું? રાઇટ ક્લિક ઓન ધ ફાઇલ ઓર અ ફોલ્ડર to be renamed, right click કરો, so sub menu appear થશે. Now click on the rename option. એમાં rename option પર ક્લિક કરો and new name છે તમે ટાઈપ કરી દો and then press the enter key, so your file or a folder is renamed. Then afterward we have learned the steps of moving a file and a folder. કોઈ બી ફોલ્ડરને મૂવ કેવી રીતે કરવાના, that we can do with the help of cut, copy and paste command. કટ એટલે કે તમે એક જગ્યાએથી મૂવ કરો છો તો ત્યાંથી સાવ કટ થઈ જશે, બીજી પ્લેસ પર જતું રહેશે. કોપી એટલે કે તમારે એ ફાઇલની જ્યાં છે ત્યાં તો રહેશે પણ બીજી જગ્યાએ પણ તમે જ્યાં પેસ્ટ કરો છો ત્યાં એ વસ્તુ રહેશે, એટલે બંને પ્લેસ પર તમારી કોપી તમને મળી જાય. કટ એટલે એક જગ્યાએથી કટ જ થઈ જાય છે. ઓકે, then afterward deleting a file and a folder. So right click, it's the same, a submenu appears, select the delete option and click on yes, a confirmation of are you sure you want to delete, then click on the yes and your folder or file is deleted. So these are the steps which we have learned. Then we have also learned that changing the appearance of a desktop, કે તમારી ડેસ્કટોપમાં જે તમને પિક્ચર દેખાય છે એને શું કહેવાય છે? That is known as a wallpaper. તો તમે વોલપેપરને પણ ચેન્જ કરી શકો છો. How you can change the wallpaper? So click on start button and then control panel option is given. Then select the personalization icon. A window appears for personalizing appearance and sounds. Then select desktop background and another window appears with different backgrounds. So select the desired background and click off the OK button. So the picture you have selected appears as the background of your desktop. This we have learned in the previous session only. But today I will again revise you with the help of the video so that you can recall it very well. Then we have also understood that how to change the screensaver. Screensaver is what? That a screensaver is an animated image that is activated on the computer. If the computer is idle for a certain specific time, કમ્પ્યુટરમાં આપણે વર્ક નથી કરતા, થોડી વાર માટે idle હોય છે ત્યારે એક સ્ક્રીન અપીયર થાય છે. That screen is known as a screensaver. Okay, and we have also learned that how to change the screensaver in the computer. Now, in today's session, we are going to see that how to create a file and a folder using WordPad. WordPad ની હેલ્પથી આપણે લોકો ફાઇલ અને ફોલ્ડર કેવી રીતે ક્રિએટ કરી શકીએ, that we are going to see in today's session, and that I will explain you the steps related to that. I am going to explain you with the help of the video. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so in our previous sessions we have already learned about how to create a file and a folder, then how to open that existing file and a folder. Then we have also learned about how to rename that file and a folder, and cut, copy and paste, how to cut, copy and paste file and a folder, and how to delete that thing. So we have learned all these things and now we are already aware of that because we have already done the revision of that thing many times. So now we are going to have a recap of how to change the background, that means how to change the wallpaper. We are going to learn that thing કે આપણે વોલપેપરને કેવી રીતે ચેન્જ કરશી. So for that thing, the first thing which you are going to do is click on the start button. Then you can see the control panel option is given. Click on that. In that, a menu appears on your screen. Now you are supposed to click on the appearance and personalization. Again, you are supposed to click on the personalization option, and now you can see many pictures given over here. So you can select any of the picture from this, right? As just now I am selecting this picture. Okay, and desktop background. So select this picture and save, give the save changes over here. So after saving, you can see the wallpaper is changed, right? So in this way you are supposed to, you can change your wallpaper, and if you don't want any of the wallpapers which is already given, then you can also download it from the internet. તમે લોકો ઇન્ટરનેટ પરથી બી ડાઉનલોડ કરી શકો છો. Then after, how to change screensaver. So first of all, what is screensaver? કે સ્ક્રીન સેવર એક એનિમેટેડ ઇમેજ છે કે જ્યારે તમારું પીસી ચાલુ છે બટ તમે અત્યારે એમાં કાંઈ વર્ક નથી કરતા અને એમનેમ રહે છે, તો એક સ્ક્રીન તમારી આવી જશે, દેટ ઇઝ નોન એઝ સ્ક્રીન સેવર. તમારી મોનિટર સ્ક્રીન પર જે ઇમેજ આવી જશે દેટ ઇઝ નોન એઝ સ્ક્રીન સેવર. Now how to change that screensaver? Again we are going to follow that steps only, that click on the start button, then click on the control panel option, then appearance and personalization. In that you can see over here no screensaver is written, right? So click on that, and over here screensaver, you can select any of the screensaver. See over here it is coming like this way. You can also see in this box, see. So I am keeping this as an screensaver. See, you can see ribbons. Now I want to keep this as my screensaver, then click on the apply. After clicking on the apply, click the OK button. So here you can see that now પહેલાં જ્યારે તમે જોયું હશે તો એમ લખેલું હતું નો સ્ક્રીનસેવર. એઝ નાવ વી હેવ અપ્લાઇડ, હવે આપણે સ્ક્રીનસેવરને અપ્લાય કરી દીધું છે તો અહીંયા આવી ગયું સ્ક્રીનસેવર. એન્ડ વિચ સ્ક્રીનસેવર વી હેવ અપ્લાઇડ, દેટ ઇઝ ribbons. So that is also written over here. So in this way, and then you just click the cross button, so your screensaver is already changed. So these were the steps of changing the screensaver. Now we are going to see in today's session, that is creating a file and a folder using WordPad. So now we are going to see that how to create a file and a folder using WordPad. So for creating a file and a folder using WordPad, you are supposed first, for the very first step is to click on the start button. Then you can see all programs option is given. Click on that. Now in that you are supposed to click on the accessories option. After clicking on that, you can see the WordPad option appears on your screen. Click on the WordPad. So the WordPad dialog box appears on the screen. Now whatever thing you want to type, હવે તમારે જે બી કાંઈ ટાઈપ કરવું છે, you can type it in this. So for now I'm writing some of the things as my favorite hobbies, then reading books, then afterward listening to music, table tennis. So I have written, now already I have written something over here. Now I want to save this file. હવે મારે આ ફાઇલને સેવ કરવી છે. So હવે સેવ કરવા માટે મારે શું કરવાનું? Over here you can see the file option is given. Click on that. So you can see a menu appears on the screen. Now you are supposed to click on the save as option. Save as option પર ક્લિક કરશો એટલે તમારે હવે પાથ સિલેક્ટ કરવાનો કે તમારે ક્યાં સેવ કરવું છે. સો ફોર નાવ આઈ એમ સિલેક્ટિંગ F ડ્રાઈવ. F ડ્રાઈવમાં હવે અહીંયા તમે ફોલ્ડર તમારું ક્રિએટ કરી શકો છો. રાઇટ ક્લિક on the new and folder and give the name as hobbies. So the folder is created. Now enter that, and now over here file name is given. So હવે આ તમારે ફાઇલનું નેમ શું આપવું છે હવે એ ચેન્જ કરી દેવાનું. So over here I am giving the name as my hobbies. So I've written the name of the file and now click on the save option. So your Word file is being saved and create પણ થઈ ગઈ છે. So now to check whether it is saved or not, let's go on that path. Now let's check it out that whether our Word file is being saved or not. So for that we are supposed to go in the My Computer. In that we have created a folder in F drive માં આપણે યાદ રાખવાનું કે આપણે કઈ ડ્રાઈવમાં ફોલ્ડર ક્રિએટ કર્યું છે. So we have created a folder in F drive. So we will click that. In that we have created a folder named hobbies. The hobbies name na folder ma, here you can see a Word file is created with the name My Hobbies. So in this way you are supposed to create a file or a folder using WordPad. WordPad માંથી directly તમે કેવી રીતે file or a folder create કરી શકો તે પણ આજે આપણે શીખી લીધું. So this was all about today's session. So I hope students that you have seen the video and you have understood it very well. Okay, that how to create a file and a folder using WordPad, and you have also recalled that how to change the wallpaper and how to change the screensaver. Now I will send you the worksheet which you are supposed to solve it in your book, and still if you have any doubt then go through our previous session, go through today's session properly so that your doubts will be automatically cleared by yourself only. Okay, so till then, bye bye, thank you, take good care of yourself.